Uh, Hello everyone, give me a second. I will adjust the stuff. Oh, he's so huge. It's Godzilla. My name is Alexander. I'm doing a game, Elemental Novice, and it's in process. It's in process. It's not like I stuck. It's not like I'm stuck or something like this. No. There will be a moment where I'm gonna finish this game. I just working right now on gameplay. I'm trying to make the game to make gameplay more fun, to make the game more fun playable. And by this I'm adding some additional spells to the game, what I'm gonna do today. And I am starting some marathon, my marathon, where I'm trying to add some spells as much as possible to the end of the sprint. And today I'm gonna to make spell, which is an analog of spell from Skyrim. Some rune spell. I will show you what do I mean. Not this. Which panic. So that's a spell which I'd like to reproduce today. And let's start to do it. I'm going down. I will play you, and for me, some music. I hope it's not very loud. And slightly a little bit loud, so I'm not gonna listen it. But text me if the audio is not okay. Also, I'm working on some promotion for the game. I mean, how do I working? I'm thinking different stuff, investigating and etc. So I discovered that there are such things as Steam keys exist, and I generated some keys, and if you want I can grant you some keys. You may text me in Discord or somewhere else. I will even type down text me here or in Discord to get Steam key for my game. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to do the thing which I was planning to do today. So new thing, new system stuff. I have some let's call it debuffs, but I'm calling this consequences after spells. For example, when I cast the ice spells, I have some detriders, which are elements of fire around player. And when he need to restore mana to concentrate, those elements gonna be modified into spells. So if player don't have any positive spells, player gonna get burned. Or if he has some positive spell, those spell will be created. For example, these things flying around. And today I'd like to add one more spell. So I'm going to passive base spell. Let's make new folder. Fire spells. I also like to make powerful or better orientation power. Not sure if I use this at all. And this go to fire. Move here. And let's check redirector. Okay, everything cool. And now I just gonna copy this. And I gonna call it not the Guardian, but Rune. Fire passive Rune. Yeah. Oops. What did I press? This asset. And like this. I am pretty satisfied. Okay. Now let's choose some picture. This is not ultimate picture. I will generate some other later. What else do I need to do here? For now, nothing. Passive spells don't have too much parameters. I don't use them a lot for now, and I'm not upgrading them, but all this time I was playing. So maybe redirector is gonna start to work right now. No. So what I wanted to say, I don't have too much. Yeah, I'm generating more spells now, and even passive spells I will be able to upgrade by talent, so it's additional content. It's gonna be very cool, very fun, and etc. And the spell itself, effective rune. Let's add it to player. I'm doing it for now through the blueprint, but there will be a way how to deliver the spell to player. So right now here is 2 guardian spells, and I'd like to add additional 2 passive rune spells like this. And now I need to type down the logic. So this is another spell, which I don't need for now. And just to see that it works, let's spawn. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same logic. I'm gonna spawn some collision, but only I'm gonna roll them. Hidden in game, visible, hidden in game, false. So I will spawn some collision. Radius out from player, let's do around 300. And the collision radius, let's make 150. I also like to set up color, for example. No, red is fine. Is it? Line thickness, let's make 9. Okay. Damn, I think I'm in a good mood today. I was playing before this to Dota, and I was humiliated there. It was awful. And then I went to gym, where I was very successful, and now I have a good mood again. So let's try to activate this. So let's make some ice spell. And when I gonna concentrate, I gonna see 2 spear collisions around, and woo! Why is there so much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 3. 2, 2. Why does it look the same? I know what the problem is. Passive rune. Spell data. So first of all is this. And I don't want them to rotate, so I'm removing this thing. But still, I'm concerned why they evolve so much. And now let's concentrate. So what do I don't like right now? That I have 3 sparkles flying around player, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 collisions. There should be 2 collisions, 2 sparkles. Let's see how does it look. Okay, the picture here is correct right now. And it's attached. I don't want to be attached. Let's see again. How much do I have? So when I create this spell, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements. 8 elements should create 2 and 2 things, and I should be burned for 4 seconds. Let's try to do it. 3, 2, 1. I'm not very satisfied. I'm not sure. Let's do some more investigation. Active Rune. Okay, I'm removing attaching stuff. I wanna know how much elements. I have it here. For 23 seconds. Let's make color a little bit like this. So let's do 1. Should create 1. Yes, yes. That's how it should be. If I'm gonna use 2, I should create 2. And I made 0. Let's stop and try it one more time. 1, 2. 2 riders should make 2. No, it don't do anything. Okay. What if it's gonna be 3, 1, 2, 3, and it make 1, and I'm not burning at all. Okay. What data do I have? Okay, I know what is this. It's from my player state. I'm printing this stuff. I think I don't need it anymore. It's gonna confuse me. Then I gonna do 1, 2. Let's make like this. Now I'm gonna concentrate. So what do I have? Passive spell. Base passive spell 3. Guardian 6. And why does this it's not Guardian, it's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here. This is Rune spell. Passive spell Rune. It get 6 elements. and shoot. Okay. Now let's go to the place where I do the logic for founding such spells. Oh, here we go. Going to do this, and then this. Passive spell. I prepared coffee before the stream, and I rated before the stream. Thankfully I have water. Oh, now I have to think about the stuff. Sometimes it's almost painful to think, but it's okay. I can do it. Oh. Yeah. Initially elements is equal to 1, let's say. Let's talk about the case where I spawn when I have 1 consequences element. This. Oh, this works fine. This works fine. Okay. Okay. What if I have 2? Should be 2. And nothing is happening. I'm not burning, I'm not spurning any spell. Nothing. There are 321 actors on the map. Let me check. I do this. And when I concentrate, right now there are 320. And there's still the same amount of actors. I actually not absolutely understand how does it happening, but it's okay. Yeah, let's go here. Yeah, I wonder what is going on here. So there are elements, and I am checking if I have the passive spells at all. And if I don't, I'm leaving this place. And this not happening, it's not this case. Then I'm starting to check if the thing is valid. For example, if so this is 0 spell, I'm starting from 1. To who am I explaining? Not gonna listen it like this. Okay, I just talking with myself. If somebody wants, text me something, ask me something not related maybe with this game, it's totally okay. So, the first spell in a row, if it's the same as the next spell in a row, and if next spell in a row valid, yes it is, and if it's the same, yes it is, then I am the elements minus the same spell is equal 0. I think this should be false.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
It's true? Why?
But when you talk to me,
Found passive.
give me the impression
Yes, this is true.
I won't scratch
Yeah,
the
I agree.
surface.
We go here. This false, yeah.
For days,
Because the next spell is the same as current spell.
but is it even
I'm
fine?
doing,
Is there a chance for me?
yeah, incrementing. Then I go here and it should be false because this not the same. It should return false, and I should do elements minus same spell, and I should spawn this. Yes, I should spawn this. So right now, same spell is 1, elements 2. Yes. Then I go here. Why is it? Okay, it's checking the validation. Validation of next spell, yeah. And now I'm gonna check. Aha.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze.
Okay. I think I figure out. Yeah, I should use same spell variable.
Baby, show me how.
Let's try to do it now. Two. It happened. It happened not around player, but I still satisfied. Let's do more. So 2, 2, 2. Now I should have 2 sparkles around player and 2 circles. I have 3 sparkles and I cannot count circles because they are overlapping. Let's see one more time. 2, 2, 6. Okay, so I should be burned for 2 seconds. Then 2. I already know that there are gonna be 3 sparkles, but should be 2 sparkles and 2 collisions. And no. So what is wrong? I have a base passive spell, 1 element, should be 2. Guardian Fire should be 2. So logic is breaking somewhere. Let's see. I am adding maybe here a little bit more. Hello. I see that there is some. I'm streaming how I'm doing the game. I'm doing some marathon, my little marathon for my game. to the beginning of the summer, I'm going to add, I hope, around 16 spells, and today I'm adding one. And there is some new mechanic in my game for passive spells, which I'm upgrading right now. Let's say debugging, because I added it, and sometimes it works, but I did it literally a couple days ago, so yeah, have to be debugged. So for the first time, this okay. Let's do it little by little. Okay, I'm spawning, and when I concentrate, so first time everything should go okay. Good. Okay, so now I'm checking if the next spell valid. It is, and let's do this also. And right now, what is it? Not the back data. Not the back. Well, awful, terrible. If next spell exists, yes, it is. It is true. Okay. If it's the same spell, yes, it is true. If elements minus. Oh, I think it should be land. I'm not resetting here after spawning this thing. Okay. Smart. You maybe didn't get what happened, but I did. And maybe it's even true. I actually don't know yet. Let's investigate this. So now, if I have 6 pit riders around player, 5, it's not 5, this 6. I should spawn 2 circles, 2 sparkles, and burn for 2 seconds. Yes, I am programmer. Okay, so let's now make those collisions. Found those collisions is a prototype of my new spell. I'm doing the spell which similar of spell in Skyrim, like Rune spell, when you put something on ground and then when enemies stop on it, it explodes. So where do I spawn it? Passive spell Rune, blah blah blah. And yeah, so the location is 0. Set world location step. Set world location. Yeah, go for moving is my root component. And I gonna take player character world location. World location. Capsule component. Okay, I don't mind. Like this, and you go here. So now I'm gonna spawn those collisions around player. I go from here, something like this. Yes. So now, because it's a spell, it cannot be collisions. I have to make it visualize somehow, and I already have idea how to do this. For example, you can see that I have already some spears. Why I don't see this spell? What spell is it? Some draft. Open level blueprint. Ice passive spell. Okay, it's not like a real spell. Remove iron elements. And add, let's say, fire explosion. So I'm gonna put on the ground such runes which represent fire spells in my game. And those fire runes, magic, blueprint, down, collision, yeah, this copy, passive rune, add decay, scale component, and the scale is gonna be this, relative rotation. I want attach to this collision. Can I? How to do it? Attach component to component, and this is gonna be the parent. Let's see how is it gonna look like. Yes, it's look like almost exactly as I want. I just need to rotate them a little bit. Yes, this. Better use it. And reference by name. Thank you. Maybe this? Yes. Oh no. Rotation Y minus 90. Give component Y. Rotation this. And size. Let's do this for a while. Yeah, it's too huge. It's too huge. I'd like it be smaller. It's right now 225, 156. What if I do it? What is the collision size? I'd like to make this collision down, go it down, minus 70. Minus 74, so I see it, and 150. Okay, let's make this 150. Is it gonna fit? I think it fits. So the sparkle explode when it overlaps these spheres. I need to work on it. Sparkles collisions. Так. So what should I do now? I want those collisions go down a little bit. Maybe I even should bring them slightly. Yes. break. Other break. Okay. Minus 74. Make vector like this. Okay, I don't need to write anything then. Let's see. Yes. So the size is almost exactly the same as I want. I just want to make it be slightly smaller because I think when enemy will go like this, it won't explode. I want it to explode when player step on the collision. So I'm gonna make it not 150, but 140. Yeah, very slightly, maybe 130. Yeah, collision. Panic, panic, panic. Yeah. Yeah, like this, like this. And now I want I want when somebody step on it. So just come to conclusion that okay, I will implement it first and then I will say my thoughts. Magic system, passive spells, fire spells, guardian. I'm gonna copy this, 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 what else? Sound system. The component. This. No, not ops. Everything fine. Everything goes smoother. Elements. Need to copy all this logic. This should be no. Yes. For now I'm gonna only spawn the something wrong. Unreal Engine, please don't die. Please. Okay. It stopped to respond for a while, but now everything fine. And it means I should save everything. But it's okay because I'm periodically saving the stuff. The spare room. This. Okay. Ah, it's the Gale. Where is the sphere? Attach to component. Ah, this is sphere. Yeah. Like this. It exploded too early. I should first spawn this. And what did trigger it? Print as actor. Floor detonated. Okay. Then I'm gonna do as an actor component by class enemy else component valid like this. Initially I wanted to make the regular player detonated as well, but okay, I am too kind today, and for tested let's add some enemies, zombie meal. Let's put him slightly further. Happens, but if he comes, it detonates too early. I think I gonna shrink the decal. Fire passive, top down, run. 110, and when it happened, I'd like to destroy the decale. Which decale I'd like to destroy? So because decale is attached to this component, I'd like to destroy the component. Can I do it? But I can do it! After spawning system. Something like this. Now waiting for zombie. The thing isn't destroyed yet. Okay. I had such problem yesterday during my other stream. Is musical? Yeah. So I'm gonna hide it instead of destroy it. So guardian, visibility. Gonna be invisible. Propagate children. Yes. Okay. And now I should make damage from it. And maybe I should expand it, because when it explodes, the visual effect is bigger. So let's do it. So the difference between decale and collision should be around 40. Okay. Let's make this 200. And this 160. And when it happens, magic system, fire spells, Fire explosion. Fair overlap, actors make damage. I would like this. Am I not destroying it? Weird. What am I waiting? Rune? So let's do some 40 damage. Sphere position. Get world location. And radius. Did I type it correct? Here. As to sphere component. Reduce. No, not sphere. Okay. I'm gonna do get sphere reduce plus 40. And it's gonna be the reduce because they have that slightly different. And this is the damage. So it goes here, and it's gonna apply the damage. Spell location, maybe this is important, I don't remember exactly. Yeah, sometimes it is. So there are a lot of actors.
Fears disappear, I'm standing strong. I'm breaking free. And I don't know what
And then they're gonna do this.
get to the part where there are
So let's see.
get to the part where I feel complete.
So now zombie has 60 hit points. And now it has less. Spell work, it get 40 damage. So by this, when I generating some spells, oh yeah, and okay, I'd like to see those explosion one more time. If it's big enough. Yeah, I think it's big enough. Other thing I'd like to try fire passive rune. No, not passive rune, but guardian. I'm spawning them in a circle, and I'd like to add some random radius from the player. So let's say it's, so here is the radius. Let's make some add random plot in range. Let's do like minus 30 up for 150. And if I do, let's say like this, What? How did I... Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's see what will happen. Oh, all those. Okay, let's for now take out the fire guardian. Rune. Okay, Rune. To go here. And this should be triggered only by collision, custom, only by palm. If I do this, yes, that's nice. And I wanna see how it's gonna look like if I make a lot of them, a lot of sparkles. They are on the same radius. Stuff which I tried to make didn't happen. Well, Guardian plus that radius. And why it didn't happen? Load and range. Oh, I get it, because I set up the radius once. Okay. Remove pin. I should do it not here. Remove pin. I should make also radius. This plus this. And now every time it should be different radius. Can do maybe not, I'm not sure. Let's try. Yes. I'm not absolutely sure if it looks more interesting, but I'm gonna keep it like this for now. What if we're gonna have it a lot? I feel like it should shrink. Come closer to player. It looks like and what this? Okay, let's remove the visibility of pair collisions, runes, decay of pair collisions, hidden in game. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna look. Okay, I think I've done today what I wanted, according to my marathon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. It was very cool. I am shy and smart. Effective. I'm pretty effective. Subscribe on something. Do wishlist on Steam. Text me or something like this. See you tomorrow and goodbye.